extra-handed twice, Daddy. You must be jealous.
Let me see. Show the fish. Let's see that fish. Holy moly. He's beautiful.
I know, right? It's like,
Thank you for keep putting him in the water. That's what you got to do.
okay, who wants to touch him?
I want to
Me.
see another close-up of him. Oh, he's pretty.
Not so hard, please.
Okay, Jack,
He's
you can
been
touch him
through a lot
too.
today. Yes.
Well, he's been caught twice. That's pretty scary.
Yeah, for a fish, especially. Do you want to touch him, camera girl?
Yes, I do want to touch him. Oh my God. Hi, little. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Oh
Should I
my.
let him go now?
Yeah.
Go,
Thank
free.
you. Oh, he's a little shocked. Thank you.
Thank you, rainbow trout fish.